I have seen so much hype for this product all over Twitter, all over the beauty space. There has been so much buzz around this product. If you haven't worked out what I'm talking about just yet, it is the brand new Conceal and Define Concealer from Makeup Revolution. There are 18 shades available and I actually have 17 to try for you guys today. Well, I did have 18 bottles, but 2 of them are the same. Yeah, sorry about that. I've actually seen a couple of tweets online that say that the Makeup Revolution concealer is actually better than the Tarte Shape Tape concealer. In terms of price difference, they are quite far apart. The Makeup Rev concealer retails for £4. I'm pretty sure the Tarte Shape Tape is around $20, $20+. If the £4 version is better than the Tarte version, I am so totally okay with saying bye Tarte, see you later. I will use this one every day. Only fair that we do a full base of swatches. So without further ado, let's get started. The difference between the lightest and the deepest shade in this range is incredible. However, I'm not qualified to talk about if this is inclusive enough. I will leave linked down below a couple of other creators who can talk more about diversity and inclusivity when it comes to skincare. I've got the first 4 here, shades C1, 2, 3, and 4, and I've also swatched them on the back of my hand here. I was going to use a shade to try and cover up any pigmentation or blemishes. Definitely go for shade number 2. Because shade 3 is a little bit too pink for me and shade 4 is just kind of like full-blown salmon. Shade 1 is the perfect kind of shade for the lighter patches of the skin and also for trying to highlight too. If you have acne or breakout, the best option is to actually decant it like a mix-in palette and then go in with a brush rather than applying it straight onto your skin so you're not transferring bacteria from, you know, your skin into the pot. You're gonna have a bad time. Gently start tapping that over the areas where I want to conceal. And then I'm just going to use the conceal side of my Luxe Perfection brush to just gently buff that out. Okay, so far that is covering. Serious? So I've changed tactics now. I'm just going to dip my brush into the concealer and just lay it on with the conceal side of the brush and then just switch over to the bigger side and just very gently buff out. I feel like that's definitely a much better option. Guys, I'm actually blown away. Like, I don't know what to say, I'm actually blown away. Considering this is just concealer, I haven't put any foundation on, I've literally got moisturizer and this is just concealer going over the top. Like, the difference between these two sides is insane, and that is literally just one £4 concealer. Holy guys. So it's cracking a little bit in my smile lines from where I've just laid it there, but otherwise, like, that is insane. I did not think it would look that natural. I'm just going to give this a little bit of a go on the shade C3, which is slightly more pink toned than I usually go for. When you apply something that's more pink in the under eye area first, and then you can apply a little bit of a lightener on the top, that gives you more of a flawless look rather than just applying like a white over a dark circle, which then means you're going to get grey. I'm going to use the shade C1 as a little bit of a highlight in the under eye area. I'm also going to take that shade C1 just into the center of my forehead. I know I keep saying that, but that looks so good. I'm going to take another shade now and I'm going to try it out as a little bit of a contour. C7. I'm going to try C7. I'm going to use my NYX 32 brush to apply this today. And it's just added a hint of natural contour to our cheeks. Finally, I'm going to take a small amount of that onto the top of my forehead. and we've got this kind of level of difference for the grand price of £16. I am incredibly impressed. So I'm going to move on to the other side and let's see how it finishes up. Holy shit, guys, this level of coverage is insane. That is literally the amount of product from one scrape of a wand onto my hand. I really need barely any product. I'm going to take shade C1. I'm going to go ahead again and use this as a highlight shade. I'm going back to the shade C7 to contour. Only criticism I have about it right now is that I used too light a contour shade. I feel like maybe I should have gone for a C9 or something. I just didn't want to go like too far and then ruin it and then be sad. Do I want to add a touch more on? I feel like if I do, it may be a terrible mistake. Yeah, that's what I needed. You need to go a lot deeper than you think you're gonna need when you're trying to use it to contour. This is something I've learned today. There we go, guys, that is it. This is my finished concealed makeup look, and I do have to say that I am so impressed by this Conceal and Define concealer. This has done such a better job of giving me a flawless base than literally so many high-end concealers and foundations put together. I was not expecting it to be that amazing. Went into it thinking, oh, this could be a good one. It could be the one that we've been searching for. I did not expect to literally be like falling off my chair at how amazing this product is. I do have a little bit of a love-hate relationship with Makeup Revolution, like how affordable their products are. However, I do also dislike that so many of their products are literally dupes, like manufactured dupes to be rip-offs of another brand. They haven't called it the circle tape, so it's far enough removed for me to get behind it. I'm just gonna go out there and say it, that this has to be the best affordable concealer I think I have ever tried. That's me, like, done. I feel like game over, boom. Don't need to try any more concealers like all year. We're done, and it's like, what, March now? And Makeup Revolution have just nailed it. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. What did you think of this concealer? Would you buy it? Would you try it? Let me know. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and for more foundation and concealer reviews, you can click here or here. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you soon. Bye.